Hello and welcome back to this Amazon Web Service Home Lab, AWS Key Management Service, KMS. AWS KMS is used to create, manage, and control encryption keys that protects your data across AWS services. And it helps you to encrypt data easily and manage who can use or access the keys. This is our diagram. This is the root user. The root user will create the key. As well, the root user will gonna create two users, an S3 user and an S3 admin user. And we will gonna create a S3 bucket. And we will gonna upload data into the S3 bucket. And we will gonna give an access to the S3 user, and we will gonna deny the access from the S3 admin user. Right click on create a key. So we have two types of keys, symmetric and asymmetric. So symmetric is a single key used for encryption and decryption. And the second key is asymmetric, which uses two pair key, which is public and private. So for this demonstration, we will gonna use symmetric, which uses a single key to encrypt and decrypt. So we will select symmetric key, and at the key usage, we will gonna keep the encrypt and decrypt. Advanced options, we will keep the KMS recommended. On the regional, we are in North Virginia, so we will gonna create a single region key and then click next. On the second step, we will gonna give an alias. So I name the alias is my S3 key encryption key. If you want to add a decryption, you can add it and then click next. The third step is the key administrator. That means who can operate this key. So by default, they are giving us an A and IAM roles. So we will gonna keep it as it is because we need the root. If we do not assign a role here, the root user will gonna use the key. And then click next. So here is asking for the permission of the key. Who have to use the key? As well, we do not select any roles. The root user will have the permission of the key. And then click next. So this is the key policy. Click next. So this is the review station. Our key type is symmetric. And we have selected a single region key. And the key usage is encrypt and decrypt. Our alias is my S3 encryption key. And we haven't assigned any key administrator, as well as the key user and the key policy. Select finish. And as you see, the key is created. Second step is to create an S3 bucket. S3, Let's create a bucket. Select a general purpose, give a name, so I give the bucket name. We're going to keep everything as it is, the default. Here is the default encryption part. So we have created an KMS. So we don't need the default Amazon management key. So select server side encryption key. And here we're gonna choose the one that we have created, because we don't want to use the AWS default one. This is the one that we have created. And we will gonna enable the bucket key. Let's create the bucket. This is our bucket that's been created. So now let's upload a file. Go to the bucket, click on upload, add file. I have uploaded a text, then click upload. As you see, we have uploaded this text. This is our bucket. This is the text file that we have uploaded. Click on the text file. On the text file, let's verify of our key. As you see on the side serve description, you can see our key. So let's test and see if we can open. As you see, we can open the text. So now let's create two users. Search for IAM. Click on the users. Create a user. Click on this box which provides a user access to the AWS console. We will give a custom password. And then uncheck this for the user to create a new password for the next sign-in. Then click Next. The second step, we have to set the permissions. So we're gonna attach policy directly. We're gonna search for an S3 bucket. We're gonna give a full access. And then Next. And then create a user. Copy the sign-in URL. Open a new window and paste it. Now let's sign in. So let's search for the S3 bucket. As you see that this user can see packet, but it has no right to decrypt or crypt the file. So let's select the file, click open. As you see, the user access denied. It cannot see what's in the file and has no key to decrypt. So now we will gonna create another user. Let's create a user. This will be the username. Select this box. Let's give a custom password. Uncheck this box. Then click next. The second step to set the permissions. Let's attach. Give an S3 full access. Next. Let's create the user. Now we have created the user. Now we have to assign the key for the user. Go to the custom manage key. This is the key that we have created. So click on the key. This is the key that we have created. Go down. Here it says the key user. We have to add the user that we have created on the key users. So click on the add. So this is the user that we have created. Add. So now we have added this user. So now let's test for the new user. Copy the URL. So now let's sign in. Search for the S3 packet. This is the S3 packet. Go to the S3 packet. Let's open. So as you see, this user has the access to decrypt by using the key, and the other user has no access to the key. This is how to set an AWS Key Management Service. Thank you for watching.